Hi, this is Ben with Safe Drive Solutions, and you're on our appointment page. So either you're looking at booking an appointment, or you actually have booked an appointment with us. Either way, there's lots of questions we'd like to answer so you're prepared. What should I expect? How do I pay? Is there an app I download on my phone? How long will it take to install? During the course of this video vlog, we're going to I'll answer those questions. So if you've booked a installation with us, the first thing we do is we send you a sales order. Sales order will actually list the details of the product that's being supplied. If there is no product being supplied and we're only doing installation, then it'll just have the installation charge on there. Either way, it's going to have the agreed upon amount available to you. Okay? We don't have any extra hidden fees. We don't have any, environmental fees or, extra shop material fees. We don't really play that game. We give you a quote. We're going to stand by it. Most days, the day of install, most days we have 2 to 5 appointments scheduled. As a result, our first appointment will contact upon arrival of the house or business. All dashcam install appointments that follow will be expected time of arrival. So typically, if we have an install, say at 9 in the morning, and the next one's between 11 and 12 arrival, we're going to try and get to between 11 and 12. And we're going to also contact you when we're close proximity, like we're 15 minutes away, 30 minutes away, just to give you an idea to make sure you're prepared and everything's ready. Okay. And we actually just recently have started adding online calendar that we can send out to you, and you can book and select your own install appointment. And it also sends you a 24-hour reminder. You can select to have that by text or email. We have that all integrated with our online calendar. Upon arrival of our dashcam install, typically there's a couple things that we need. The driver door needs to be able to open all the way. Average time of install on most vehicles is anywhere from 1 to 2 hours. We always research the vehicle wiring information available to us, typically the night before or week before, whenever it's booked. We'll need the vehicle key so we can test our wiring. Yes, everybody always asks, are you hiding the wire? Yes, we do. We hide the wiring. Typically, you might see wiring going from the dash camera up to the headliner, which typically is behind your rearview mirror, so you don't really see much. If you have a vehicle that has a hatch, it's going to be ran through the factory grommeting, and it'll come out on the hatch. So typically, you're not seeing a whole lot of wire. You might see like a pigtail of 6 inches or so, if that, going to the rear camera. Other than that, it's pretty clean. Some vehicles obviously require us to remove panels, but don't worry, they clip back in. We do solder and tape all wires. Occasionally, we do use fuse taps on vehicles. So very rarely we do, but occasionally it's the better way to do it on a couple select vehicles. And the other thing we do is a couple of higher end vehicles, we only use an OBD2 adapter, which is fully included in our quote. We don't have any extra hidden charges, but it just relieves stress for any of those clients. Let's say you have like a newer BMW and you go to the car dealership. It's very simple for them to just unplug it, and then there's, nobody can give you any hassle. We also have all the apps available to download. So if you are getting a dash camera from us, which I strongly recommend, obviously, because we do have aggressive package pricing where you get a installation packaged with the unit. If you go to our support page, and you pick out the unit, it has the direct app to download for Android and for Apple. So very easy for you. You literally click on that and boom, you have the app right on your phone very instantly. We also spend 15 to 30 minutes giving you a demonstration. I know I've had quite a few clients where it's like we've paired their phone and they're like, okay, well that's great, thanks. And well, just so you know, we do a lot more than majority of the common shops. So we're actually going to show you how to pair your phone We're going to show you how to download a video. We're going to show you how to change settings on the dash camera. In-depth explanation of how it works. We want you to feel, comfortable with the unit. At the end of the day, we want it to be a very positive experience, and we want you to feel comfortable. If you want to change a setting, like for instance, let's use a thinkware for example. If you want to all of a sudden decide that you're parking somewhere that you're not really too comfortable with, maybe you want to change it to motion detection, we want to be able to show you that information so that you can change that setting on your own. Not saying that we won't take your phone call, not saying we won't take your text or email, but just we want to make it so that you're a little bit more self-sufficient and confident. The other thing is, so the day of installation, we send an invoice. Okay, what the invoice is, it's fully payable online. So in your email, there'll be a big Pay Now button. You literally click the Pay Now button, and you can just boom, it pops up in a browser on your phone or on your desktop computer, whatever you're more comfortable with. And we take Visa, MasterCard, Amex. If you are looking to pay e-transfer, we can supply an email address for that as well. But we do not have a portable machine, where you swipe a card. We don't have any of that we bring with us. The whole point is just to make it as convenient as possible, make it very easy for you, self-sufficient, right? So if you have any questions, you can always feel free to call us, 604-299-7758, or text us the same phone number. Or you can email us at info@safedrivesolutions.ca. Above all, thank you for choosing Safe Drive Solutions. And if you have any questions, like I said, reach out. We're here for you.